back, my friends, and happy Monday. This is Lindsay coming at you with another work from home job lead. These job leads are just a little bit different. I have two separate job leads from the same company, which is Fuzzy, and they are a pet health partner. They are hiring for two different work from home positions. These are for my United States folks only. So if you are a pet lover, let's just dive on in. The first position is for a member experience representative, and it says that Fuzzy is a subscription-based service offering members 24/7 live vet chat support, virtual vet consultations, and also on-demand answers from a team of licensed on-staff pet health experts. They also offer personalized program for nutrition, training, and obedience. So they are looking for a customer service rep to handle all incoming service, sales, and billing related inquiries. And it says you'll be handling these via chat, phone, and other omni-channel communications. Now it mentions phone a couple of times in here, so I did not mark this as a non-phone position, but the more you read through it, it looks like it is probably 90 to 95% non-phone based customer service because they do a lot of chat and ticketing systems. The next thing it says is you'll work tickets from oldest to newest and follow up with customers as necessary. So I am guessing that you're going to either be working the chat or the tickets, and sometimes the tickets may require you to make outbound phone calls to the customers is what it sounds like to me. So you'll assist and support the customers through the purchase process. You'll guide visitors to appropriate resources if they need additional information. You'll have to de-escalate any difficult customers. You'll have to document all your interactions with customers in the CRM system, including updating their contact information via chat, email, or phone. So as far as what they are looking for this customer service role, someone who has 1 year of experience handling multiple customer chats or phone calls at the same time in a fast-paced environment. Someone who is pet parent customer focused. Someone who has the ability to work a variety of hours, including some evenings and weekends. Someone who can communicate professionally and have problem-solving skills. Someone who can work independently as well as part of a team. Someone who has Microsoft Office skills, and if you have Zendesk ticketing experience, that is a plus but not required. They do need someone who has strong verbal and written communication skills. Now, as far as pay goes, they did not list that. You would have to ask that at the time of the interview. Now, this same company, Fuzzy, also is hiring a work from home remote for my United States folks only, a pharmacy support specialist. And it basically says a pharmacy support specialist helps with the 24/7 live vet chat support. And they are looking for someone who is a veterinarian assistant or receptionist to join their pharmacy team. This person should be passionate about helping the customers and providing quality pet care to their members. So as far as what they are looking for this position is someone who's at least 1 year experience in veterinary clinic setting as either a receptionist or an assistant with past experience providing awesome experience for customers. Someone who has general knowledge and understanding about how vet clinics operate. Someone who has a basic understanding of prescription medication handling and the regulatory compliance that comes along with that. Someone who has a general understanding of pet care recommendations and treatments. The ability to recognize and identify medications and what they are used for. Someone who has the ability to interact with vet clinics in a comfortable, confident, and natural way. Now again, unfortunately for this position, they did not list the pay either. You would have to ask that at the time of the interview. As always, if there's anything specific that you're looking for, feel free to leave that in the comments, as I'm always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.